Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. You are saying Techno Inspectors. So guys, this is my second video on this channel. As you can guys see the title of this video, how to customize your PC with new virtual themes using Rainmeter. So first of all, for customizing your desktop you need the software which name is Rainmeter. So first of all, go and open your Google Chrome, as you can guys see how I'm opening. So just open it and type download Rainmeter. So just go ahead and search for it. So guys, you see the first website, here it is. So just click on it, download Rainmeter, and you guys on it, the web page, and there are two versions available right now, 4.2 beta version and 4.1 final release. So I recommended you to download 4.1 because it's a guarantee that it doesn't contain any error or any catch file or any other kinds of error. So I recommended you to download the 4.1. You just go ahead and click on this button, download final, and it will take you to download page, or otherwise it's downloaded. Yeah, it's downloading, and I have already downloaded this, so I didn't download it again. But you guys download it completely. And second, one more thing, so guys, you need to go ahead and using this link in the description, you can guys download your favorite theme and the theme which you like most. So I didn't copy the theme yet, so I have to take it in from my history. So but you guys, I recommend you to download the Neon Space Rainmeter. It's the link in the description, you guys can easily download it. So here it's you just click on the link and you will on the web page. So guys, this your link, this your theme pack for your Rainmeter, and here is the download button. This 63.4 MB. So you just go ahead and download this. So I had already downloaded this and I have complete download. So you have to complete it, download and full, and just complete it. After you have completed your download, just close the button, just close the Google Chrome, and go to the download section of your PC, and then check it out for your the version, the actually what there it is. Yeah, here Rainmeter 4.1. it is a setup. You double click on it and it's set up, and click OK, and standard installation, and next, and next, install, yes, and it's installing. So it's say you for the run Rainmeter. So you just didn't apply it and say finish. After that, you install it, the Rainmeter, then see your then go ahead and see your the theme pack. And here is the theme pack. Where is my theme pack? So yes, here is my theme pack. I didn't use the Neon Space theme pack because it is a it is a good thing. But if you guys want to see the Neon installation, so you can go ahead and check out the link in my description for the next video in the Neon. So first of all, I just used to say the connection, and it is making a good thing, but it is required some features that I didn't install it yet. I installed it in my next video. So go ahead and click on the Neon Space Rainmeter. So I double click on it, and this makes to my installation dialog box. Say install and apply include layout and install. You guys can install more themes in the website. The link is there in my description, and it is nice to customize your PC with new realistic and motion and many more features are. Yeah, okay, now we are on the option menu of it. So first of all, if you it's an white color, you can choose your color, you can choose your language. So first of all, click on wallpapers. It's at the right corner and it will take you to the Google Chrome, or your default browser will open, and you guys can download the wallpaper for your bag. So guys, here is the wallpaper. It's in blank. You have to download it blank. If you download this full, then you guys can not be able to see the theme pack or which are running reality. So just download the clean wallpaper. So just right click on it and say yes, save as. So I had already downloaded this cloud, so I didn't download it again. So go see your download. Here is my cloud wallpaper. I just set this my default, set as desktop background. Okay, after that you can guys maybe easily to see the text colors and text. So here is the frame. So frame, what is a frame including? So let's check it out. Okay, it's an type of extra large, large. So let me take it a large, and it's a medium. Okay, I set it as a medium, and I just place it here, medium, and it's looking pretty good. And I just unload screen. If you doesn't want, you can unload that screen, and it's good. Yeah, it is pretty cool, nice. And what are there are many more things. Okay, that's an frame side work. Okay, let me take this. That's my CPU speed and how much my CPU is running, and that's an I take it as a small one. I didn't need the big one. So, and see how much it is looking. Oh, okay, that's in weather. Current weather is 17 degrees Celsius. Okay, and what is this? That's an fan, my speeding fan cooler. Okay, it's very nice. I love it. So it is good. You guys can easily customize what you want, and it is good. It's pretty cool, good. And you can add more thing if you click on the other things. See, what is this? Okay, that's your natural graphic case. Okay, here you see your photo when you exert it. There are the Twitter, YouTube, and Skype, Rewrote, Facebook. If you click on it, you will see the area, and you can go and click on it. So you will on your Gmail account. Okay, it's your Gmail. So when you log into your Gmail, your photo will become there. So go to the settings, and if you want to change you can easily. So I just remove it, and this click is how much it is pretty good. I love it so much. It's an good. Okay, it's an audio track. I love it. I love it. So guys, thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, do like, do comment, or please subscribe and share my video. Thank you.